Hello and welcome you all. Today we will be doing next topic of our chapter 4, determinant. So our first topic for today is what is singular and non-singular matrix. Student, a square matrix A is said to be singular if its determinant is equal to 0. So to understand this, let's say a question in which we have to find the value of x. So our matrix A is 1, minus 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, x2, minus 3. And this matrix A is singular. So as we know that in singular matrix, determinant is always equal to 0. And in the last video, I have already told you how to find the determinant of 3 cross 3 order square matrix. So here I am expanding it along row R1. So first we will take A11 element, which is 1. And then we will hide row 1 and column 1 completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements, which are minus 3 into 2, minus 6, and then minus 2 into 1, minus 2. And then we will take A12 element, which is minus 2. And as I have told you that A12 means 2 plus 1, which is 3. 3 means odd. So here we will take negative sign. So minus into minus 2 will become plus 2. And here we will hide row 1 and column 2 completely and find the determinant of the remaining element, which are 1, 1, x and minus 3. So minus 3 into 1, minus 3, and x into 1, minus x. Now we will take A13 element, which is 3, and hide row 1 and column 3 completely and find the determinant of 1, 2, x2. So we get 2 into 1, 2, minus 2 into x, 2x, and this is equal to 0. Now on solving it, we get minus 6, minus 2, minus 8, plus 2 into minus 3, minus 6, and plus 2 into minus x, minus 2x. And then plus 3 2s are 6 and minus 6x, which is equal to 0. So from here we get minus 8x minus 8 equal to 0. Here we get x equal to minus 1. And student, a square matrix A is said to be non-singular if its determinant is not equal to 0. And now we will study how to find minors and cofactors of a 3 by 3 and 2 by 2 order square matrix. So first we will study how to find minors. Students, we denote minors by Mij. And now let's say a square matrix A equal to 4, minus 7, minus 3, 2. And one of the most important point is that our minors will always be equal to number of elements present in a square matrix. So here 4 elements are present in a square matrix A. And hence we have 4 minors here. So first we will find minor along A11, which is denoted by M11. So to find M11, see A11 element, which is 4. And now hide row R1 and column C1, so that the element which is available now is 2. So write M11 equal to 2. And similarly student, for M12, take A12 element, which is minus 7, and now hide row R1 and column C2. So the remaining element which is left is minus 3. So M12 is equal to minus 3. And now for M21, we will take the element of A21, which is minus 3. And now we will hide row 2 and column 1 completely. So the remaining element which left is minus 7. So M21 is minus 7. And now M22. So we will take element A22, which is equal to 2. Now we will hide row R2 and column C2 completely. So the remaining element is 4. So M22 is equal to 4. And now we will find minors of 3 by 3 order square matrix. Our square matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 3. Now again, here we will denote our minors by M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. So in our matrix A, there are 9 elements. So minors will also be equal to 9. Now to find M11 element, take A11 element, which is 1. And now hide row R1 and column C1 completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements, which are 2, minus 1, minus 4, 3. And find the determinant of these elements. We get 3 2s are 6, and then minus 4 into minus 1 means plus 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. And now we will find M12 element. So take A12 element, which is 2. And now hide row R1 and column C2 completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements, which are minus 3, minus 1, 2, and 3. So the determinant is minus 3 into 3 is minus 9, and then minus of 2 into minus 1 means minus 2. So minus into minus become plus. So minus 9 plus 2 equal to minus 7. And now we will find M13 element. So take element A13, which is 3, and now hide row R1 and column C3 completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements, which are minus 3, 2, 2, minus 4. So minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12, and then minus 2 into 2, 4. So plus 12 minus 4 is 8. And now we will find M21 element. So take A21 element, which is minus 3, and now hide row R2 and column C1 completely and find the determinant of the remaining element. So the remaining elements are 2, 3, minus 4, 3. So from here 3 2s are 6 and minus of minus 12. So it becomes plus 12. So 12 plus 6 is 18. So M21 is 18. And now for M22, take A22 element, which is 2. Now hide row R2 and column C2 completely. So the remaining elements are 1, 3, 2 and 3. And its determinant is 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So 3 minus 6 is minus 3. And now for M23, take A23 element, which is minus 1, and now hide row R2 and column C3 completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements, which are 1, 2, 2, minus 4. So minus 4 into 1, minus 4, and 2 2s are 4. So minus 4 is minus 8. And now for M31, take A31 element, which is 2, and hide row R3 and column 1 completely and find the determinant of the remaining elements, which are 2, 3, 2, minus 1. So determinant is 2 into minus 1, minus 2, and then minus 3 2s are 6. So minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. And now for M32, take A32 elements, which is minus 4, and hide R3 and C2 completely. So the remaining elements are 1, 3, minus 3, minus 1, and its determinant is 1 into minus 1, minus 1, and then minus 3 into 3, minus 9. So it becomes plus 9. So minus 1 plus 9 is plus 8. So M32 is 8. And now M33, so take A33 element, which is 3, and now hide R3 and C3 completely. So the remaining elements are 1, 2, minus 3, 2, and its determinant is 2 1s are 2, minus 3 into 2, 6. So it becomes plus 6. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is how we can find the minors of 2 by 2 order and 3 by 3 order square matrix. And now we will learn how to find the cofactors of a square matrix. So to understand this, let's say a matrix A equal to 4, minus 7, minus 3, 2. And student, we will denote cofactor by Cij. So here in 2 by 2 order matrix, we will denote it as C11, C12, C21, and C22. And now to find cofactors for us will become easier now because we already know how to find the minors. Similarly, student, we can find the cofactors also. But the difference between both of them is that in cofactor, when sum is even, we will take it as positive. Sum means, let's say for A11, it means 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 means even. So here we will take positive. And if sum is odd, like A12, where 1 plus 2 is 3, which means odd. So when sum is odd, we will take it as negative. And now for C11, take A11 element, which is 4, and now hide R1 and C1. So we get C11 equal to 2, and we know that here 1 plus 1 equal to 2, which is even. So C11 is positive, which is equal to 2. And now for C12, take A12 element, which is minus 7, and now hide R1 and C2. So from here we get C12 equal to minus 3, and we know that 1 plus 2 equal to 3, which is odd. So here we will take negative. So negative of minus 3 will become positive 3. And now for C21, take A21 element, which is minus 3, and now hide R2 and C1 completely. So the remaining element which left is minus 7. So C21 equal to minus 7, but we know that 2 plus 1 equal to 3, which is odd. So we will take negative. So minus of 7 will become plus 7. And now we'll find C22 element. So take A22 element, which is 2, and now hide R2 and C2 completely. So the element which we get here is 4. So C22 equal to 4. And now we will find the cofactors of a 3 by 3 order square matrix. Let's say a matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 4, 3. Student, as you can see that I have considered the same square matrix for both minors and cofactor. Since we know how to find minors, so for cofactors, write C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33, and take all the elements of minors from M11 to M33 and paste it in our cofactors from C11 to C33. And now we will change the sign. As we know that if sum is even, then we will take it positive, and if sum is odd, we will take it negative. So for C11, it is positive, so C11 equal to 2. And for C12, as we know that minor M12 is minus 7, and here 2 plus 1 is 3. It means it is odd. So here we will take negative. So negative into negative will become positive. So C12 is plus 7. And now C13 equal to 8, because 3 plus 1 is 4, which is even. So we will take it positive. And now C21. Now since M21 is equal to 18, and for C21, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, which is odd. So here we will take it negative. So C21 equal to minus 18. And similarly, C22, which means 2 plus 2 is 4, which is even. So we'll take it as it is. So C22 is minus 3. And now C23. So 2 plus 3 is 5, which is odd. So here we will take it negative. We know that M23 is minus 8. So C23 will become minus of minus, means plus 8. So C23 is plus 8. And now C31. So 3 plus 1 is 4, which is even. So we will write it as it is. C31 equal to minus 8. And now C32. We know that M32 is 8. So, and 3 plus 2 is 5, which means it is odd. So here we will take it negative. So C32 will become minus of 8. And now C33. So 3 plus 3 is 6, which means it is even. So it remains as it is. Therefore C33 equal to 8. And now practice this question, mention on your screen and share me the solution. Thank you so much for listening as always. God bless you all.